Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Aliff bin Idris and my matrix number is B142510057. So now I will present about a case study that assigned to me. So in this task, there are 4 case study, which is case study 1, case study 2, case study 3 and case study 4. So I will give the answer based on the scenario in the case study. In case study 1, the scenario based on the ergonomic issues is an office workstation environment. The answer for question 1 is the primary objective of ergonomic is to optimize the interaction between the worker and the work system by observing to the principle of fitting the task to the human. In this office setting, the goal is to align the physical environment with the anatomical capabilities and limitation of the employees. By doing that things, the organization could minimize physical strain and cognitive fatigue, which it would prevent from the musculoskeletal disorders, and it could enhance employee well-being and maximize overall system productivity by reducing from frequent absence and operational errors. Next, we go to the question 2, which is identify and explain 3 ergonomics related problems present in the office workstation environment. The answer for question 2 is the first point, using fixed chairs for different people. The chairs cannot be adjusted to fit the height or body shape of different staff members because the chairs are stuck in one position, so the employees sit in awkward pose with unsupported back or feet. This causes static loading, where their muscles stay tight and tense for hours just to hold them up, which is it would leading to the back and neck pain. For the second point is, tools are out of the reach. The keyboards and mics are placed too far away, that forcing workers to stretch their arms forward all day. In ergonomics, tools should stay in the normal reach zone, which is close to the body. For the third point, poor screen position and bad lighting. The monitors are at the wrong height, which is not at the eye level of the workers, and the light causes glare on the screen. This forces the workers to tilt their heads at bad angles and squint to see clearly on the monitors. This causes visual fatigue, which causes tired eyes, which leads to frequent headaches and extra strain on the neck muscles. Now, we go to the scenario in case study 2, which is the topic is improving work efficiency through time and motion study. For the answer in question 1, I will divide it into 2 points, which is the first point is finding one best way. Breaking down hand movements to remove wasted action. For example, like searching for the tools and setting a standard method for everyone to follow. For the second point is setting time standard. By calculating exactly how long it should take an average worker to finish one part, it will help the company to fix the problem of different operators having different cycle times. In question 2, identify and explain 3 benefits that the company may obtain by applying time and motion study techniques at the workstation. The answer for question 2 is the first point, better work methods and layout. These methods helps the company compare different ways of working to find the fastest working methods. By analyzing the motions, they can rearrange the table so tools are always in the normal reach zone. It will encourage the workers to not making unnecessary movements, making the job faster and easier for them. The second one is accurate production planning. So, the company will now have a standard time for each part. They can accurately plan how many components that will be made in one shift. Other than that, it will help them to meet their production targets and calculate exactly how much the labor costs for each item. The last point is defining a fair day's work. It gives a management a neutral way to check if a worker is performing well or if they need more training. It can also be used to create wage incentive for the workers, for example, bonus, to motivate workers to stay productive in their work. Next, this is the scenario of case study 3, which is focused on the topic about automation decision in a manufacturing production line. The question 1 for case study 3 is, explain 2 reasons why the company should consider implementing an automation system. So the first reason why the company should consider implementing an automation system is to increase production output manual. The production output manual work is too slow because humans get tired or they need breaks. Automation will allow the machine to work much faster and run continuously without stopping. This helps the company to produce a lot more plastic components every day to meet their customer demand. The second reason is to improve the quality and reduce errors humans. Sometimes humans make mistakes or miss defects during assembly and inspection. Automated systems do the exact same task perfectly every time. This will ensure all products are of the same high quality and reduce the amount of waste or rejected items caused by the human error. In question 2, based on the case, identify and explain one suitable type of automation system that could be applied in the production line. Based on the case, I think the suitable system that could be applied in the production line is programmable automation. Since the company produces plastic household components, they likely produce a different types of products, which is, for example, hangers, containers, or plates in batches. So they produce in a huge amounts. Programmable automation is the most suitable because it will allow the equipment to be reprogrammed and change, accommodate different product shapes and assembly sequence. Lastly, we go to the case study 4, which is the scenario is on topic about enhancing manufacturing apparatus through computer integrated manufacturing. Question 1 for the case study 4 is, explain the concept of computer integrated manufacturing and how it can help to improve the company manufacturing operations. Now I will answer the first question, which is I will go to the explanation about the concept of computer integrated manufacturing. So CIM is the use of computer systems to link every part of the manufacturing process together. Instead of having a design, planning, and production work as separated islands, CIM use a shared database so that all the departments can talk to each other in a real time. And how the CIM can improve the company manufacturing operation? So by using the CIM, it will give a better information flows, which is it solves the poor information flows issue by ensuring that the production floor automatically receives the latest designs and schedules without manual paperwork. The second one is total coordination. It syncs the machines with the material handling systems. For examples, when a machine finishes the task, the systems automatically signals for more materials, reducing delays and idle time. The question 2 is about identify and explain one automation system, either automated flow line, AGVS, or ASRS, that would help solve one of the operational issues faced by the company. So the automation system that I choose to talk is automated guided vehicle system, which is AGVS. So what is function of AGVS? So the function of AGVS is to avoid delays in material delivery between the workstation. For the more explanation is AGVS are independent robots that move materials around the factory floor. So they will solve the delivery delays by providing a consistent flow of parts between machines without needing a human drivers.